It's that sinking feeling. Not only have you just lost a game of chess, but your opponent tells you that you missed checkmate. By doing some checkmate puzzles, you will train your mind to spot opportunities to win games of chess. In this video, there are 4 puzzles to solve. When each new position appears, pause the video and see if you can work out the answer. The first thing to do is to look at the king you are trying to trap. Find out which squares it can move to. Then, for mate in 1 puzzles, have a look at your pieces and work out how you can give check. One of the checks will actually be checkmate.
Let's get on with it then. We need to find checkmate for white, and the black king has 2 possible escape squares. The knight attacks g7, but did you notice that the white bishop on b2 is being even more useful by attacking both of the possible escape squares? So the black king is stuck. Which of the white pieces can give check? Here are the ways white can give check, but which one is the right answer? Well, the black queen defends 2 of the checks, so we are left with this knight check, and because the black bishop is pinned, the white knight will be safe here. Next puzzle, and it's white to move and mate in 1. Let's light up the squares. There we go, 3 squares to check. The f-pawn covers g7, so the only safe squares are on the h-file. We need to attack the black king along the h-file. There's just one more thing you need to notice about this position. Did you spot that the white bishop pins the black pawn to the king? So we can move the rook to h5 safely. This time it's black's turn to win, as long as we can find the checkmate move. Only 1 square to think about. And it's double covered, so the white king is stuck, and we just need to find the right check. Can you spot the 2 ways black can give check? One way is with the knight, the other way is with the queen. Now moving your queen next to the enemy king can be a good way of giving checkmate, but your queen has to be defended. If we played this check, the queen would not be defended, and the white king would just take it. So let's look at the knight check. Does the white h-pawn stop this plan? No, because it's pinned by the black queen. Last puzzle, and we need to find checkmate for white. Squares please, computer. Thank you. Well, with the king off the edge of the board, there are quite a few squares to think about. Fortunately, there are a few black pieces in the way. The light squared bishop attacks 2 squares, and I hope you notice the other bishop. It's lined up on the same diagonal as the black king, hiding behind the white rook. If the white rook moves out of the way, it will be check. Whenever you have the chance to do a discovered attack, especially a discovered check, you should look carefully to make sure you take full advantage. Where is the best place for white to move the rook? We could move it here. And after black gets out of check, we can take the queen. That would be nice, but there is a better move. The most powerful kind of discovered check is double check. The black king is attacked by the white bishop and the white rook. Black can't take both pieces at once. Black can't block both checks at once. The only way out of double check is to move the king. And as you can see, the king has nowhere safe to go. Well done if you worked out the answers to those puzzles.